We're taking that door panel off. In. Kona. My seat. My tools. Come listen to my podcast. And I think there's only one screw holding this thing in, which is right here. Let's confirm that, because it looks like a 7-mil. That stays up. Nope, it's a Phillips. This has got to pop out because it looks like it's overlapping. So let's pull this out and make it fly. Yeah, there's nothing over here. So we're gonna do that mirror too, but let's first do the door panel. I grabbed from here. Typically, you can feel it. It's kind of tight, but I just pulled from this corner. Pulled, and pulled. And we're gonna go upward. So up and over, up and over. And there we have, here's the doors. Handle switch thingy. And let's squeeze this and see what we got going on. There we go. Just a squeeze. Right in the center right there. And pull out. We're going to get the casualties, the ones that are left behind, and put them back. You see? They came out. So we're going to get this one out. Just pry it out with a tool. I'll show you. See? Easy peasy. Now we get the other one that fell on the floor, which is this one. Put them back in, and there you have it. So like it, don't like it, share it, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.